Hey guys, it's your boy Talent. Shout out my sister IJ. Introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Haji and I'm here with Talent and we'll be discussing some relationship experiences, I guess. Yeah.
So Talent, what do you look for in a woman?
A woman. I look for loyalty, like I need those kind of women that I don't want someone who think that I got money or something who comes for money, because me I already struggling. Understand? So I need someone that at least today, if I buy you like a Nike shoe, you appreciate that. Tomorrow you bring me like a nice trousers as well. That's a relationship we have to help each other, not like you rely on me. At least me, I don't have already.
Yeah.
So.
That's great. Any questions for me?
I have a question. You said that your last relationship was 3 years.
Yeah.
And ever since then you're finding it hard to find a relationship that lasts longer than 6 months. What do you think the reason is for that?
I think like people are fake outside there. People are fake, because the one that lasted me for 3 years, it was a real relationship.
Yeah.
So since then I never find something that is true.
That's true again.
Fake people.
So maybe could it be that you're looking in all the wrong places? Where are you finding these women?
Some of them from the church.
Yo, that is crazy. You'd expect to find, quality and like just the from church, but
I'll do that, but I'll leave everything to God. God is
yeah, let God guide you.
Yeah.
Why do churches have sometimes one not?
Me, I think people just go to church sometimes just for fun, Plus, yeah. I don't know.
I don't know. Like everybody have their own way of thinking, and they have their own way of looking at the world, and have their own way of, just living their lives. So if they go to church, if they're not going there for God, or if they're just going there for fun, like you say, it's everybody has a choice. It's all about choice. Life is about choices. So if you're going to make choices that you think is best for you, then go ahead. If you're going to go to church for fun, go to church for fun. If you're going to go to church for God, then, good for you, But like, not here to judge nobody, Gonna judge nobody. Everybody lives their lives the way they want to live their lives. So yeah, that's how I just feel.
Well, how long do you want to working?
If she's working, at least you must see each other like twice a week, spend time together. At least twice, because I understand even me, sometimes I don't have enough time to see my, because of the way I work long hours and stuff. So, but at least 2 times a week.
Do you believe in soulmates?
Soulmates, not really, but I believe that people who are meant for each other will find each other. I don't believe in soulmates as like deep, there's this other deep belief about soulmates and things like that, but like, some people, they find that though. Some people will be like, oh, this person is my person, like is my person. But like sometimes you can meet somebody where in the beginning you think it's not your person, or you don't think this person is compatible with you and stuff like that. But like as you go along and as they become your soulmate, So I think maybe in a sense, yeah, I do believe that you will find the person who's meant for you, Yeah.
Is somebody with a lifestyle different from yours?
Yeah. I need someone who, like, at least the thing that I love, she loves it. So, because sometimes what's happened, me, I love gymming, right? I can find a girl who said, no, I don't like a man who goes to the gym. Like, it hurts me. I need someone who motivates me, like, who doesn't drain my energy. So, you get it, right? If you don't get it, forget it.
How much do you think they are worth when you are getting married?
That is a very awkward question. That's a very awkward question. I have no idea. How can I be like sitting here and be like, okay, 50 cows or something like that? No, like, I don't know.
We leave that to the parents.
We leave that to the parents.
Would you
We
help your
leave.
men pay lobola for you?
I know.
Why
I
not?
wouldn't do that.
Why not?
I wouldn't. It depends, man. It depends on the. But I just feel like, no. Once you do that, no. Sometimes that's why I'm telling you. Like some people, they tend to take advantage. You know. So if you're going to help every little thing, you're going to just help. You're stopping that person from going harder. You know what I mean? Sometimes they're going to become too laid back. So if you're going to help him with something as simple as your lobola, you can't even fix that on his own. Then
Let's say now, right? You're in a relationship, right? God bless you with the million right now. Your man is not working. Can you help him to give him money to go and pay lobola to your country?
No, we're going to work hard and hustle, and we're going to get married when you have the money. I mean, I honestly, like, we can help each other with hustling, the rent and whatever. But that part, that has to be on you, because the way you're going to raise that money is just going to show just how much you want that person. But for you to be like, oh, you know, just because I'm short 20 grand, go hustle for that 20 grand. Just show me how much you want me. I feel like that's what's going to make me respect you even more. But if I'm going to pay, as I'm telling you, like, people, like, they tend to take advantage. So if a woman's going to help you pay lobola, the disrespect sometimes that will come from that woman. They will be like, you didn't even pay full lobola, I paid half. You know what I mean? So in your arguments, that's going to come out, and then you guys are gonna just start fighting for unnecessary things. That's what I'm saying. It depends on the type of people that you guys are. But like, I just feel like at least for that one, you must hustle and get that one on your own to show this person, I really want you, I respect you, and I want this for us.
Okay, I get it.
Yeah.
So would you date a man who smokes weed?
A man who smokes weed?
Yes.
As a religion? Like, you know, when I say religion, I mean like people that smoke like
no, just for
like,
fun.
Even when you walk past me, you're smoking, you're smelling like weed. Even when you wake up, the first thing you do is weed. That weed is your life. No, man.
No, someone who take it like he's tired, or now like you want to chill and watch a movie, not like 1 hour you rolling it for 1 hour.
Yeah, but like at a certain age, then you need to have an age where you like, okay, cool, this type of fun, I'm living it now, I'm taking my life seriously. But like, if you guys are young and whatever, you're living your lives, whatever, you're just having fun, maybe every now and then, yeah. But like, not as a grown person, as a grown man and stuff like that, you're relying on weed, or you're doing, again, it depends on the relationship and it depends on the people.
Exactly.
If it's you and your woman, you're doing it together, but you guys are hustling, you guys are moving forward, you guys are doing the best, you know what I mean, you're on your grind, you're doing this, whatever, and you do that as a
smoking,
go for it.
Not bringing a problem, just smoking.
No problem.
Yeah.
Then
respect,
that's what I'm saying. It all depends on the people. If you guys are those, yeah. I feel like that's I love a dark skinned guy. I love. But absolutely nothing wrong with also a light skinned guy. Everybody's handsome in my eyes.
I wish if I was dark.
Hectic.
So anything.
Nah, chilling.
Alright. Thank you so much.
Thank you.